Hello everyone, I'm Oz and in this video we will be looking at the baker's setup. But let's do the technicals first. So here goes the disclaimer. The content in this video is for informational purpose only. It's not a financial, legal or tax advice. This video is solely my opinions and I'm not a licensed financial or investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies is highly volatile and risky and I can't guarantee any particular outcome. Now let's get started with the video. So now that we're done with that, let's look at the Baker setup. So the Baker setup is a TTP, the Trading Parrot setup. So this is not something that I have created on my own. So this all credit goes to the Trading Parrot. A link in the description below. And then this is something that the Trading Parrot worked with Baker, who is another person, and together they came up with this setup. It involves QFL, quick finger looks again, as this is a series we've been doing. Alexandro and Amica, they were also QFL, and not Amica, the Alexandro. Anyways, so it has an aggressive one, a moderate. It's basically a setup of 4 bots, and one is aggressive, one is moderate, one is defensive, and one is conservative. Okay. And just to have a look, they have this sheet. There's a sheet where you calculate, like, the number of deals with the aggressive is 2, the number of deals with the moderate is 2, the number of deals with defensive and conservative are 1 and 1. These are the base orders. This is the price for the safety orders, 1, safety order 2, safety order 3, and this is the reserve capital. And these are the some of the other deal start conditions, which is like that. And yeah, so yeah, let's dive in and see what these bots look like. And I think we will start with the aggressive and moderate one first. So here we are. Here are the 4 bots. Okay. We're gonna go for the aggressive and the moderate, and then we will do the conservative. And let's look at the aggressive first. So the aggressive bot did 29 deals. This is basically, the whole Baker setup is based on BTC pairs. So it will be all trading BTC and all pairs. So in this case, we have 29 deals. It has made $11, and duration per deal is 1200 minutes. And then if you look at the safety orders, 65% does not used no safety orders, 17% used 5, about 7% used 2, 70% use the second safety order, and about 10% use the third safety order. Now if you go and look at this setup, so you can see, again, it's based on QFL, and now this is QFL original 4 meaning on a 1 hour it drops by 4%, it will catch it. So you can see it's actually open deals, not that often, but it does open deals, some deals. Let's see over here how much it has made. So it has completed actually 37 deals and made $12. Okay, so let's look at the setup. So the setup is all the pairs. Of course, take out the stable coins and coins that you don't like. Even Pax Gold you can take out. Number of deals 4. Let's compare it over here as well. There's the sheet. This is the sheet. So here the number of deals are actually 2. So we've doubled the budget and everything. So the number of deals are 2, and this, like, everyone doesn't have a budget as big as this. This is actually quite big. So this comes to about, depending on what the price of Bitcoin is, coming about $15-20. So this is what my base order is. The deal start condition is QFL original 4. Take profit is at 2%. Trailing is off. Safety order is the same as the base order. Number of safety orders are 3, price deviation is 3%, safety trade count, all of them, 3 of them, and order volume is 1, safety order status scale. So up to 9% there's a price deviation. Okay, plus 4 because of the drop, so I would call this a price deviation of 13. And then minimum start deal, we saw 30 50 before, now we're jumping to 500, so it will only open deals of something which is like, has a good trading volume, and that's about it, and simultaneously one deal. So this is the setup for the aggressive BTC QFL original 4. Now let's look at moderate. So this is the moderate one. It has done 81 deals and earned us $33. And so guys, it's always better to have your BTC doing something than sitting there, and this is how you keep accumulating BTC as well. But only do this when you know how the charts works, when you know how the market works. Of course, I'm not saying that you know how to predict it, but you should know that how BTC works and how trading on BTC works. So duration per deal is about 1100 minutes, and as you can see, it was opening quite a few deals since, and it's been running for a while. So yeah, let's look at the safety orders. No safety orders, 66 up to 67%. One safety order, 15%. 7%, about 7 to 8% took 2 safety orders and 10, so it's almost similar to the other one. And let's look at the actual bot now. Let's close these. So this is the actual bot. It has been making deals on and off, not too often. Similar QFL situation, whenever there's a drop, else it's dead, and then up like that. And let's see how much did it make. So it has actually made 98 deals and made us $36. And yeah, this one is correct. Actually, this one is 2 as per the requirement of the sheet, which is 2. Okay, so let's just close this one, aggressive. So for the moderate one, we go here. It's again all the pairs. Maximum number of active deals 3. I tend to keep moving these up and down, so this is 3. You can make it 2 as well, but 2 to 3, 2 to 4 is okay. Base order is 268. If we calculate it, BTC to USD, and we just use this just to give you guys an idea. So it's about $11. So this is not a lot, and thus the profits, you're not using a lot of it. Now in this case, it's day trading, and this is moderate day trading, which is when the 1 hour candle closes. So which is pretty much fine for us. Okay. So it's a bit more moderate. Take profit is the same 3%. All 3 orders are there, 1 everything else is the same. The base and safety orders are 268 instead of 23. And then we have the deal start condition, which is higher, which is at 750, and the price deviation is the same. So this was the second one, aggressive, moderate, and so over here you have 2 to 4 deals, and yeah. And then let's move forward to the defensive and conservative one. So the defensive one would be, let's do defensive and conservative. Which one is first? Defensive is first. We'll do defensive first. Let's close this one. So this is the defensive one, 19 deals, and just 3 commas QFL. Okay, just to yeah, this is what I wanted, just to show you guys. Okay, so yeah, let's continue. So 19 deals, this fella is using the defensive QFL conservative settings. Okay, and then let's look at the safety trades. So over here 68% used no safety orders, 21% used one safety order, none of them used two safety orders, and 10% used three safety orders. Okay, as for the actual bot itself, again we see it's not that often, but when it opens, this is how QFL works. You know, it waits and waits, and then it takes the profit. You know, it's not like non-stop churn, and which is good, which is a good thing. So in terms of let's look at the profits here as well one time. So it has 32 deals, and it has made about $14 for us. And let's look at, so guys, the amounts are less because the base order is like $10, and you're taking 2% profit on a $10. 10% of $10 is $1, and 2% would be a very 20 cents, like something like that, you know. So if you increase it, you'll get more profits, but that's the whole purpose of this 4 bots running on different conditions, of different market conditions, and different settings, deal start conditions, so that you make the best out of worse and not so worse or good conditions as well. Okay, so over here again all the pairs are there. Number of deals are 2. Let's check over here. They said 1, we've kept 2, so 1 to 2 in your case. Okay, so this could be 1 to 2. Now over here we see that it's a little bit more, which is I think about 12 something. Okay, and so you can keep it the same. If you want all of them to be 10 or all of them to be 15, so you can keep it the same. Now over here we have the first one, we did original, then we did day trading, then we did conservative trader. The last one would be the position trader. So this one has is more defensive, as the name suggests, and is a conservative. 2%, same profit. So this is the same as the base order, and the rest of the things are again the same. 3% deviation, 3 safety orders, safety order trade count 3, 1, 1, and the deviation is 9%. And over here, this is the difference, that it's 800 BTC volume, and this is also the same one. So so basically, like what I've explained the original and the day trade to you. Let me just further. Original uses 1 hour candles and open and close prices. Okay, so day trading uses 1 hour candles but waits for the lower drops. That means when the candle closes, and that's the lowest drop, right, in that 1 hour. Conservative does it for 2 hours, 2 hour candles, and waits for even lower drops. And position trader waits for 4 hour candle closes and waits for possible lower drops. The lower drop, the algorithm waits for the less frequent new deals open. The percent fields represent the percentage drop below a base. With 3%, the bot waits until the price is 3% below the base price. Okay, so you can check it out. Just Google 3 commas and QFL, and this will pop up how it popped up for me. Anyways, so let's go back. So this was the defensive one. Let's close that, and let's look at the last one, which is the conservative one. So this one is using the QFL position 4. That means 4 hours, which is it's a position trader, and 4%. Okay, so it has done 22 deals, $16 and about 800 minutes per deal, and usage of safety orders. 50% uses no safety orders, 22% used 1, 4% used 2, and 22.7% used 3. This bot will most probably open at really red times, most probably. That's what I see this particular bot. Or when there's a drop in because of some reason. So as you can see, it's less active as compared to all the others, and it was like not doing anything for a while, and boom, it goes up like that. So let's look at the settings for this one. And then in terms of settings, so all the coins, one deal, 0.3 something is, so $15 BTC equivalent. Position trader, deal start condition is position trader with 4. Take profit is the same, 2%, same as base order, everything remains the same, deviation 9. Here you see that deal start condition becomes 1000, which is higher. So it keeps increasing from 500 to 750 to 800 to 1000. So yeah, guys, this was the Bakker setup. Again, let me show you the actual setup over here. The Bakker is experimenting, and they've been doing this experiment for a while now. I will leave a description of the link to the Patreon and Patreon of the Trading Parrot if you would like to join in. I am personally a member. I'm not getting any affiliate benefits from this. I'm just sharing something that he's sharing as well, and I hope he appreciates this, and thank you so much actually for being there, the Trading Parrot, and yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, do hit the like button. If you have any question, please do talk to me in the comments below. It's always nice. I'm again here to help you guys and share whatever I know, whatever little I know with you guys, and make this a more knowledgeable place for everyone to learn and grow together. So anyways, you take care. Thank you for watching the video. Ciao. If you want to support me in making these videos, hop onto my Patreon, Ozwenwintu, link in the description below, to buy me a drink, get me a meal, or book a Zoom call with me. Thank you.